Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your country or region of your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to change the country or region, you'll have to factory reset your Smart TV because it is only available when you are initializing the setup of your TCL Smart TV. So to factory reset, what you can do is you can simply go to the top right corner in the settings. And you can go to the device preferences. And here is the reset option. If you click on it, then it will give you the option to factory reset your TCL Smart TV. And then when the reset is complete, then you can initialize and change your region of your TCL Smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.